how you can edit and make
any object to talk.
for a talking tree. You can edit this with just your phone.
Let's head over to tutorial. You take a picture of a tree and take a video of you coming very close to the camera so that your eyes, your mouth will be shown visibly to everyone. Make the video your overlay. Duplicate this video into 2 different places. First duplicate, move to mask, choose circle mask. Readjust the mask to fit only the eye. Try and make your adjustment to be smoother so that your editing will look seamless. Drag these other duplicates to be as your second layer, just as this. On this other one, equally repeat the same process. Then for the mouth, make this other video to be your 4th duplicate, just like what I'm doing here. Still go to mask, choose your circle mask, readjust it, follow the same process with the previous one, and that's just it. When you finish your editing, go ahead and export it. If you don't still understand this video, watch it over again, follow it step by step. Don't forget to follow me up for more tips and tutorials like this. See you in my next video.